Hello, everyone. This is my 2018 stash update. I got all my fireworks that I bought wholesale. I got all of them all fused up, ready to go. I'll show you a little bit of what I got all done. Here's a 200 gram board, angled 200 gram board. This is the grand finale board. Well, part of the grand finale board. I got other stuff going with it. But there's 33 cakes here. I'll take you out to my main stash. This is where we got all the other goods. Let's start here. This board is a mini finale in between my 200 and 500 gram single board. I'm going to run that. Now we're going to go into the 500 gram angled boards. I got that board set up, all fused up, ready to go. Underneath, there's a board right there. 200 gram or 500 gram cakes, side by side, angled, ready to go. This is the start of that 500 gram board. And we'll go into some of my shells I got all preloaded. All fused up, ready to go. Bunch of Roman candles, different Roman candle type racks. I got a big Roman candle rack. That's in the grand finale. Behind it, there's a rack back there. Spin over here. I got some more Roman candle racks. I got a couple more shells I got to load and get done, but not too much. All right, that's pretty much it for now for the update. I have to get my 200 gram and 500 gram single board. I'm waiting on that shipment to show up yet, but as soon as that comes in, I'll have another update. Let you guys all know. All right. Thanks for watching.